Hello guys, welcome back to my interesting recipe video. And today we'll be making healthy, nutritious and tasty fruit salad. So for this fruit salad, we need of course fruits. So I'm using watermelon, muskmelon, mango and grapes. By the way, you can also choose your favorite fruits. So let's get started right away. Guys, we also need honey, black pepper and a lemon for this salad. So guys, firstly let's start off by scooping small laddus out of watermelon and muskmelon. Make sure you have plenty of fruits laddus for your salad, cause you know there can never be enough laddus. Now let's get on with scooping the kings of all fruits, mango. They are my most favorite fruits. Now guys, I'm adding this red juicy grapes. I have scooped out these fruit laddus. Now I'm squeezing a lemon. Now for the salad dressing, add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Now crush in black pepper. Now let's give this all a good mix. Now finally drizzle this salad dressing over the fruit laddus and give them all a good mix. So guys, my fruit salad is ready and now my favorite part is to taste. So let's taste it. Let's taste the watermelon. It's too slippery. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yummy! It's yummy! Now let's taste the mango. Wait, let me chew it. Okay, let's taste it. Yum! Very yummy. Yummy and tasty. So guys, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.